Hello.
This is Insta360 X5 8K 360 action cam essential bundle. Let's do the unboxing. What is this? This is invisible selfie stick. Awesome. Let it keep inside. So, what is this? There is some. Oh, there is some notes, guide, and some sticker. Oh, okay, warranty card. Side. What is this? Oh, this one extra battery. Keep this inside. Oh, this Insta360 bag. Keep this inside. Let's check. This is pouch case. Oh, that's awesome. So let's check here what is inside. Oh, this is 360 pouch and some fabric inside. Microfiber. What is this? Okay, this is standard lens guard. Okay, let's check this as well. Oh, this is okay. Oh, okay, got it. So this is the lens guard. Let's keep this aside. And this is Insta360 X5 utility charger case. Okay, this charging case for 2 battery together. Okay, we have here option to remove. Okay, we have like this. Okay, keep this inside. And this is the actual final thing. Let's check this. Okay, keep this aside. Oh, this is the lens guard. Okay, let's check. Oh, that's awesome. This is Insta360 X5 360 cam. Let's check this. That's awesome actually. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, here we have so many other things as well. Here we have video, pure video mode, insta frame. Okay, time slap, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, and the road mode. Photo, video. Okay, so many things here. We have 360 and we have single lens as well. Okay, let's check. Okay, here we have one battery pack with the camera. Oh, okay, this is one battery which is coming with the camera, and one is the extra one in the bundle. And here we have battery slot. Okay, sorry, memory card slot. Okay, so we can check like this. Okay, yeah, nice. Now we'll do some video testing as well.